You'd like to think there's no such thing as sickness in nature, especially to a pretty and harmless creature like a question mark butterfly. These beauties are common in summer, feeding on flowers and fermenting fruit, and their pert flight adds to the color and vibrance of summer. But health isn't guaranteed. Parasites, injury, and disease can strike any living thing, including butterflies. I found a question mark yesterday struggling on wet sand, and for the few minutes I watched, it was clear that the creature would never fly again. I contemplated and filmed it for a while. Not easy to watch, but that's the way of all life. And I moved on, preoccupied with my own living for now. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.